Toyota has significantly expanded remote start capabilities across their vehicle lineup, making this convenient feature more accessible than ever before. Modern Toyota key fobs now offer remote start functionality up to 100 feet from the vehicle. Most 2018 and newer Toyota models come standard with this capability, with the engine running for 10 minutes by default or 15 minutes in extreme temperatures. To remote start your Toyota using the key fob, first ensure the vehicle is locked and all doors, hood, and trunk are closed. Then press and release the lock button on your key fob. Within 1 second, press and hold the lock button again for 3 seconds. The hazard lights will flash and the engine will start. Some newer Toyota models may require different methods. You can press the lock button twice, then press and hold it on the third press. Alternatively, some models have a dedicated remote start button that you press after the lock button. Regardless of the method used, you'll know the remote start was successful when the hazard lights flash and you hear the engine start. The system is designed to be reliable and consistent across Toyota's vehicle lineup. Toyota's remote start system incorporates multiple safety features designed to protect both the vehicle and its users. The most important safety feature is automatic engine shutdown. If any door is opened without the key fob present, the engine immediately shuts off to prevent unauthorized access. For security, all doors remain locked throughout the remote start process. This prevents unauthorized entry while the engine is running. Environmental safety features prevent activation in enclosed spaces and when fuel levels are critically low, protecting against carbon monoxide exposure and engine damage. For optimal performance, always wait for full lock confirmation before attempting remote start. The system requires the vehicle to be completely secured before activation. Common issues that prevent remote start include a weak key fob battery, improper sequence timing, or the vehicle not being properly locked. Most problems are easily resolved by checking these basic requirements.